Welcome to this beautifully updated ranch-style home. With 1,686 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, this one-story home offers 3 bedrooms, with the potential to convert into a 4th bedroom. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the tall ceilings. The open floor plan strikes the perfect balance between openness and intimacy. The heart of this home is the updated kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, modern cabinetry. The kitchen's eat-in area provides a space for casual dining, while the formal dining room offers a touch of elegance. Move-in ready with all-new flooring, interior paint, and appliances. The home offers a split floor plan, and a spacious primary suite offers ample closet space and an ensuite bathroom. Enjoy the professionally landscaped front yard, a widened driveway with pavers, and paver-lined front sidewalk all adds to the wonderful curve.